Stakeholders from flood-prone communities in Bauchi State are seeking ways of mitigating the impact of flooding in a reaction to the recent report of a possible flooding across 19 states of the Federation. The community is among the 8 local government areas of the state that are expected to witness heavy downpours, according to the National Emergency Management Agency, Nema. Trust TV's Adamu Imam reports.
Recently, the National Emergency Management Agency reported 19 states could witness excessive rainfall. This has caused fear in flood-prone communities across the country, with Bauchi not left out. In view of this, the State Environmental Protection Agency identified stakeholders from those areas to brainstorm on how to mitigate the lingering floods and also prepare to avert the impending danger of flooding. Bauchi area is among the 56 communities that always suffered flooding for many years.
We have been complaining that was not how the place was before. Some of the mistake made was by the state government much earlier. If you can look at that area where they wrote Paris furniture, there was a very big culvert then where this water is dropping. We don't know their reason they block it.
We need expansion of the waterways here. As you can see, everywhere is flooded. We usually deposit sand to allow cars to pass through.
Government will send some people, either government or whatever organization, they will send some people. They will come, they survey, they measure, they will put something to know the depth of the whole thing, but after all, they will not come and do any other thing.
Traditional rulers also contributed to effort geared towards tackling the menace, as according to them, flood affects all human endeavor.
We were sure the issues that were discussed and agreed on will be highly attended to, and by the grace of God, things will be over and definitely go back to our communities and enlighten them.
During the focus group discussion, environmental experts spoke on how best flooding can be averted even before it occurs.
Usually, either within the rainy season or during the dry season, of course, we're going to help our communities to be fully sensitized about how they can use the environment.
The community engagement entertained several opinions from members on how to achieve the desired objectives of mitigating the impact of flood throughout the state. Adamu Imam, Trust TV News, Bauchi.